This is the year when most LIBOR transition activity must take place. The banks that make submissions for LIBOR have agreed only to continue to submit until the end of this year. Although some liquid US dollar tenors are likely to continue until the summer of 2023, it is very unlikely that other LIBORs will, and the impact of that transition will be far-reaching for financial services firms, businesses, and customers alike. If you do not resolve your non-US dollar LIBOR exposure this year, you're very likely to be in the hands of others into the future. You might be forced to implement a tough legacy solution devised by regulators, or be ensnared in litigation about how your contract should be interpreted now. A big focus of my work currently is on transition activity for both buy and sell side firms. One big win has been the implementation of ISDA's IBOR fallbacks protocol, which remediates a big series of documents, including some drafted by other trade associations. However, it is amazing how many commonly held misconceptions there are about how the document works, and I'm working through these with many clients. There's a client alert about the impact on some non-linear trades, which is linked to this film. Another key focus of my work are deals that are either born from the circumstances of the pandemic or the recovery from it. The impact of the pandemic on transport industries, such as aviation, has been gigantic. I've been working on some non-performing loan transactions for sellers and investors, and across Reed Smith, we act for market participants across the market. My key expertise is in relation to rate and currency hedging transactions relating to the portfolio of NPLs. Often these can have very significant impact on the performance of the portfolio because the macroeconomic conditions prevailing now, due to government economic stimulus, are hugely different to those which were in place at the time the original hedges were put on. Quite how long these conditions will prevail into the future is also a key question in the pricing of these portfolios. I'm also pleased to be advising on the structuring of financing for new businesses that look to change the economic paradigm post-pandemic. One client I'm helping is creating capital market solutions to enable long-term partnerships between carbon offset project developers, buyers, and capital providers, and another is building a neobank in India. I also advise on many transformational projects for financial services businesses. Brexit has been the catalyst for many of these, and even post UK's departure from the EU, there are many organisations that are still sorting out their formation, their documents that they'll use into the future, and the way that they will interact with their clients. These projects are absolutely pivotal to their future successes, and it's been fascinating to work on them with them.